Hello students, in this lecture we will study about the gravitational force and weight of body. In previous lecture we studied about muscular force, mechanical force and gravitational force. Inside the gravitational force there is subtopic, that is first is force of gravity, that is gravity, and second is weight of body. These are the subtopic of gravitational force, and today we will discuss about the what is the gravity, what is the difference between gravitational force and gravity first of all. Then second, weight of body, what is the unit of weight, and how to calculate the weight of body when mass is given. Let's start with the difference. What is the difference between gravitational force and gravity? Gravitational force is the force of attraction acting between any two bodies. This is the force of attraction between any two bodies in the universe. Therefore, what is the gravitation? Gravitation is the force of attraction acting between any two bodies of the universe. For example, there is a force of attraction between two book, force of attraction between two uh, tree, force of attraction between sun and earth. So therefore that is the gravitational force of attraction between any two bodies. And what is the gravity? Gravity is the earth's gravitational pull on body lying or near the surface of earth. Suppose this is your earth, and this is your earth, and this is your small body near the surface of earth. Then there is a gravitational pull towards the surface of earth. This gravitational pull is known as gravity. Some another example, suppose this is your moon, this is your moon. Any body near the moon apply, there is a gravitational pull on a body due to the moon, and that gravitational pull is known as gravity of moon. So what is your gravity? Gravity is the earth gravitational pull on a body, or any heavily body or earth lying near the surface of earth. That is the gravity, and this is the difference between gravitation and gravity. What is the difference between gravitation and gravity? Gravitation is the force of attraction between any two objects, but gravity is the force of attraction or uh, pull on body near the surface of earth. Next is, what is the mass and what is weight? Both are different. Mass is the amount of matter in a material, in something, the amount of matter, that is the mass. And the gravitational pull on mass, that is the weight. The gravitational pull on a mass is weight. What is the weight? Weight is the gravitational pull on a mass, and what is the mass? Quantity in the material or matter in something, that is the mass. This is your earth. For example, this is your earth, this is your earth, and this is your body having mass m. What is the mass? Mass is the material or matter inside the body, that is the mass. On this mass there is a gravitation pull towards the surface of earth, and this gravitation pull is known as weight of body. What is the weight of body? Gravitation pull on the body towards the center of earth, that gravitation pull is the weight of body. The gravitation pull on a mass is the weight of body. Now what is the definition of weight of body? Weight is a measure of gravitational attraction or gravitational pull, because any body on the surface of earth attract that body towards its center, and that force of attraction is known as weight of body. And weight of body depend upon the mass or material inside the body, and weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, and value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. This is the value of acceleration due to gravity. And in CGS system, what is the value of g? Value of g is 980 centimeter per second square. This is the value of g in CGS system, and this is the value of g in SI system. And what is the weight? Weight is equal to mass into acceleration. This is very important formula. What is the relation between weight and mass? Weight is equal to mass of body into acceleration due to gravity. And value of acceleration due to gravity in SI system is 9.8 meter per second square, and value of acceleration due to gravity in CGS system is 980 centimeter per second square. Now, weight is a measure of gravitational attraction on an object. Weight depend on where the object is. This is very important. Weight of body depend upon the where the object is. But if we compare the weight of body with the mass, mass is a constant quantity. Mass is a constant quantity. Mass is constant quantity. But weight of body is not constant. Weight of body is not constant because weight is the gravitational pull. What is the weight? Weight is the gravitational pull. That is the weight. And gravitational pull on the body depend upon the is different at different point. If body is on the surface of earth, for example, this is your earth and this is your moon. This is your moon. A body of mass m. This is your body of mass m. Here this is your body of mass m. Both the body have same mass. Both the body have same mass, but gravitation pull is different. In this case, there is a very large gravitation pull as compared to this case, because gravitation pull due to earth is greater than the gravitation pull created by moon. Therefore, weight of body on the surface of earth is greater than the weight of body on the surface of moon. The weight is different at different position at different point. Therefore, weight is variable. Mass is constant. Mass of body on the surface of earth and mass of same body on the surface of moon, that is same. But there is a variation in weight because weight is the gravitation pull. On the surface of earth there is a very large gravitation pull, and in case of moon there is a very small gravitation pull as compared to the earth, because in this case the gravity is g on the surface of earth, but on the moon the value of g is, that is value of acceleration due to gravity, that is g dash is g by 6, means 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth. So what is the value of g on the earth? Value of g on the earth is g, but value of g on the surface of moon is 1/6, that is g by 6. This is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of moon. So what is the weight? Weight is equal to, weight of body is equal to on the surface of earth mg, but in this case weight is equal to mg divided by 6. Therefore, there is decrease in weight when we move from earth to moon. If we measure the weight of body on the earth, that weight is mg, but if we measure the same weight of body on the surface of moon, then weight of that body is mg divided by 6. That's why we wrote here, weight depend on where the object is. Your weight on the earth is not same your weight on the moon, because value of g on the earth is g, and what acceleration due to gravity on the moon, that is g by 6. This is very important. What is the value of g on the surface of moon? Value of g on the surface of moon is g by 6, on the earth is g, and value of g on the surface of earth is 9.8 meter per second square, and value of g on the surface of moon, that is 9.8 divided by 6 meter per second square. This is the difference between value of g, acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth and on the surface of moon, and due to difference in different value of g, there is a variation in weight of body, because weight is equal to m into g. So in this formula, your m is constant but g is variable. So due to variation in g, there is a variation in weight of body, but mass is constant in everywhere. There is no change in mass. The mass of body is, for example, mass of body on the surface of earth is 1 kg. Same mass of same body on the surface of moon is again 1 kg. There is no change in mass, but weight of body, there is a variation in weight of body when we move from one planet to another planet. What is the unit of uh, weight? Unit of weight is Newton, and 1 Newton is equal to kg meter per second square. That is, when Newton is a force, and force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. The unit of mass is kg, and unit of acceleration is meter per second square. That's why 1 Newton is equal to kg meter per second square. This is the unit of weight. Next is, there is a difference. This is the example that weight of man on the surface of earth, that is 90 kilogram. This is a mass of 90 kilogram weight. This is your uh, on the surface of earth, and on the surface of moon is 1 by 6, and 1 by 6, that is 15 kilogram weight. The weight of body is in this case 90 kilogram weight, and in this case 15 kilogram weight, because in this case gravity is very large, and in this case there is a small value of gravity. Therefore there is a effect of gravity on the earth versus on the moon. Next, this is your relation between weight and mass. Weight of body is equal to mass of body into acceleration due to gravity, and this acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. This is the weight, and this weight is in Newton because unit of weight is Newton, unit of mass is kg, unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Therefore 1 Newton is equal to kg meter per second square, and this is the formula of weight. With the help of this formula, we can calculate the weight of body if mass is given. If mass of body is given, for example, mass is 1 kg. For example, mass is 1 kg. What is the weight of body? This is your earth. This is your earth, and mass of body. Therefore, mass of body is 1 kg. What is the value of this gravitation pull, or what is the weight of body? This gravitation pull is the weight of body, and gravitation pull is equal to weight, and weight is equal to m into g. And what is the mass? Mass is 1, value of g is 9.8. Therefore weight of body is 9.8 Newton, or weight of body is 9.8 kg per kg meter per second square, kg into meter per second square. So what is the weight of body of mass 1 kg? The weight of body of mass 1 kg is 9.8 Newton, and weight of body of mass 1 kg is also known as kilogram weight. Weight of body of mass 1 kg is also known as kilogram weight, and this is the another unit of weight. The another unit of weight is kilogram weight. First the unit of weight is Newton, and second the unit of weight is kilogram weight. And this is your in SI system, and in CGS system unit of weight is dyne and gram weight. So what is your kg weight and what is your gram weight? What is the kg weight? This is your earth. This is your earth, and this is your body having mass 1 kg. The force on a body of mass 1 kg, that force is 1 kilogram weight. So what is the force? Force is equal to weight, and weight is equal to mass of body into value of g, acceleration due to gravity. Mass of body is 1 and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. Therefore this is your 9.8 Newton. Therefore one force is equal to m into g, that is 9.8 Newton, and this 9.8 Newton is the kilogram weight. 1 kilogram weight is equal to 1 kilogram weight is equal to 9.8 Newton. So what is the 1 kilogram weight? Force on 1 kg, force on body having mass 1 kg, that force is kilogram weight. Therefore 1 kg weight, 1 kg weight is equal to 9.8 Newton. Similarly, force on 1 gram weight, force on 1 gram weight is 980, 980, that is the 1 gram weight. Your next is, there is an example. Find the weight. Mr. O has mass 88.6 kg. What is weight of Mr. O on the surface of earth? The weight is equal to m into g. Mass of O is 88.64. Value of g, value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. So after multiplication, this will equal to 868.7 Newton. So to find the weight of body, simply multiply mass with value of acceleration due to gravity, and value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. You can get the answer in Newton. Next is weight. This is your book print. The weight of a body on earth is equal to force with which it is pulled by the earth towards it. This is the definition of weight. What is the weight? Weight is the gravitation pull by earth towards its center. So what is the direction of weight? Direction of weight is toward the center of earth. What the direction of weight or direction of that force, direction of that pull is towards center of earth, that is vertically downward. Greater the pull of the earth on a body, greater is its weight. If that pull is greater, it means weight of body is greater. Heavier body is pulled by earth with a greater force. Heavier body pulled by earth with a greater force, because heavier body has greater mass. Therefore a body having mass 1 kg and another body having mass 5 kg, the force on body having mass 5 kg has greater pull, because pull is equal to m into g, that is 5 into 9.8. In this case gravitation pull is equal to m into g, m is 1 and g is 9.8. This is the gravitational pull having of a body having mass 1 kg, and this is the gravitational pull of a body with mass 5 kg. So therefore heavier body is pulled by earth with a greater force. What is the unit? The weight of an object is measured with the spring balance. This is very important. If we want to measure the weight of body, so with the help of spring balance we can measure the weight of body. And if we want to measure the mass of body, we use the beam balance to measure the mass of body. This is the main difference between mass and weight. We measure the mass with the help of beam balance, and we measure the weight with the help of spring balance or weighing machine. So this is your spring balance. The SI unit of weight is Newton. Normally we use the unit of weight is Newton, and weight is a force or gravitational pull, and this is the main difference between mass and weight. Mass is the quantity in the body or material in a body, and weight is the gravitational pull on a body. And we measure the weight in terms of Newton, and weight, in another words, weight is a force. Another unit of weight, another unit of weight is kilogram weight. This is the gravitational unit of weight. And gram weight, again this is very important. What is the gravitational unit of weight? Gravitational unit of weight is kilogram weight and gram weight. And what is the kilogram weight? The force on mass of a body of 1 kg, the gravitation pull on a body having mass 1 kg, that gravitation pull is kilogram weight. Kilogram weight and gram weight are gravitational unit of weight. And what is the 1 kilogram weight? 1 kilogram weight is equal to 9.8 Newton. How we get this result? That is 1 kilogram weight, force is 1 kilogram weight. The force is 1 kilogram weight when mass of body is 1 kg. The mass of body force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. And if weight of mass of body is 1 kg, mass of body is 1 kg, and acceleration due to gravity is, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity? 9.8 meter per second square. So अब 1 into 9.8, that is 9.8 Newton. And that force on body having mass 1 kg, that force is kilogram weight. Therefore kilogram weight is equal to 9.8 Newton. Therefore 1 kilogram weight is equal to 9.8 Newton. This is your 1 kilogram weight. 1 kilogram weight is the gravitational force which act on a body of mass 1 kg. And 1 kilogram weight or 1 kilogram force, we can also write 1 kilogram weight as 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton. This is a very important result. 1 kilogram force is equal to 9.8 Newton. And what is the meaning of 1 kilogram weight? The force on body having mass 1 kg. 1 kg मास के ऊपर अर्थ कितनी ग्रेविटेशन पुल अप्लाई करेगी, वो हमारे पास क्या है, वो हमारे पास kg वेट है. एंड kg वेट इज इक्वल टू 1 kilogram force, that is 9.8 Newton. This means that weight of 1 kg mass is 9.8 Newton. Again, this is a very important line. Weight of 1 kg mass. What is the weight of 1 kg mass? Weight of 1 kg mass is 9.8 Newton. And you can also determine this value with the help of formula, that is m into a. Weight of 1 kg mass. 1 kg mass, m is 1 kg, value of g is 9.8. Therefore 9.8 into 1, that is 9.8 Newton.